Hey guys, at BV Matson here, and just cleaning, doing a lot of cleaning on this engine part right here. Using some Dawn dish soap, some warm water, and getting up close and personal with my parts. And lo and behold, take a look down inside of here, and wouldn't you know what I found? I found not one, not two, but I think I found the remnants of 3 copper crush rings in each one of the exhaust ports here. Dude, they were just jammed up in there. So I wanted to do just a quick video. One, show you some progress, and I'm moving through this damn thing. But I'm really glad that I kind of started cleaning this thing out and took a look in there. They're really easy to get out. I just used a screwdriver and pried these out, man. But I couldn't believe it. There's one for sure. One right there. And then there's another one here. This looks like a pretty complete one as well. And then here's another one. It might have been 2 on top of each other. But either way, always check this. Always check down inside of here where your exhaust actually goes together, because there may be some crush rings in there. And both sides had multiple sets of crush rings. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And here's what I'm talking about. These crush rings, these go in to the, where you're mounting your exhaust. These go in here. And then when you put your, bolts on, these tighten down, they crush, thus called crush rings, and they create a nice seal for your exhaust. Now, you should always take those out every time you do that and put fresh crush rings in here. But apparently the previous owner just decided to just throw them, just keep crushing them on top of each other. So I'm actually really glad that I checked this out. I did also get done, I did flatten this surface with the sandpaper. That same method from a previous video, so that I can mate these 2 pieces together perfectly. Now, I do have a question for you guys. What do you think, based on the condition here of these valves, do you think I need to go diving into these? I'm really torn, and I'm not finding a lot of, kind of conclusive information. So what I'm doing right now is just spending some quality time cleaning the part up and trying to get it to look respectable. Doesn't have to be perfect. I've kind of gotten off my high horse on that. And I just kind of want this stuff to look as respectable as possible. And I am actually still fighting some of these gaskets, man. Like, some of these are absolute, they're hardcore, man. The only reason why I kind of feel like I'd like to take the valves out and give them a good inspection is so I could also probably sand this so I have a nice flat surface as well. But I'm really torn. I could use your input on that. But guys, it's coming along. It's coming along. I think I'll be spending the night with this part for sure. But I'm just going deep dive here. I'm doing a nice big spot clean here with Dawn. I'm going to dry it out really, really well. And then I'm going to oil and spray in so I make sure that I don't, start getting anything all crusty or not. But, there was another issue with this thing that I discovered. I got some bent fins. They're a little crusty. I'm debating, is it worth it? Is it worth trying to heat up and straighten that? I don't know. And then there's also another really small bent one right here. I'm not too worried about that. I'd probably just leave that one alone, because if I break that, that would really suck. But this one kind of bites. That one got dumped there a little bit, so I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling. I got to get back to work, guys. But again, when you're cleaning out your parts, due diligence, do some looking around, because these things, could have been a problem. And I'm glad I found those. So onward and upward, guys. We're just going to keep going on this thing. I hope you're enjoying the videos. If so, please subscribe. Also, thumbs up the videos that you enjoy. I'm just going to keep cleaning, and then I'm going to get to sanding. Also, follow along Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. We're making progress. All right, guys. See you in the next video.